how to get her to chase you. Pointing at you right now through this screen, guys. You want her to chase you, you want her to pursue you, you want her to be with you. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to do just that. So, welcome to the Mental Wealth YouTube channel, guys. My name is Lewis. Welcome. And if you enjoy self-development, self-improvement content like this on the channel, I'm going to have more of it coming up. So subscribe down below, guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below for more content. And let me know when you've done that by saying you subscribed. I'll come down to the comment section and reply to all of you. So this topic is controversial between genders, male and female, of course, because I want you all, or it doesn't matter what gender you are, it can be any gender. Strictly speaking though, female and male, or male and female, I should say, that we have different opinions on this. Women believe men should chase, men believe women should chase. So I'm going to clear up the real answer, though, the answer that is definitive, the answer that you're looking for. So how to get her to chase you, guys? Very simple. It's very easy to understand once you understand how it works. And the way you can get her to chase you, guys, is you do nothing. And now when I say nothing, I don't mean nothing. But when it comes to the woman, and you believe that you need to text this girl every day, you need to call her, pursue her, do all that sort of stupid stuff to get her to chase you, never do that. What you should be doing is getting on your purpose. This channel is going to be screaming that every video. Your purpose, guys. You need to have purpose in your life. You need to be chasing something, whether you are at the bottom of it or you are the top of the leaderboard. Chasing something, guys. Pursuing something. You have the ambition to get somewhere in your life. You believe that you are made for more. And as you build yourself up to be this better person and you are getting somewhere with maybe your business or YouTube channel or music or whatever it is, women are going to notice. Women are naturally just going to be like, wow, he has that going on. I'm going to go see what he's got going on. And to break this down for you, think of you as an island, men. Men, think of yourself as an island, right? And you're on this island of your own. Nobody else, just yourself. And on this island is, a few resources. You have a few trees and stuff like that. You want this island to be big. You want this island to be big with fruits, and you want parrots flying on your island. You want, animals living on your island, and you want a big house, nice boat. It doesn't matter. And you're building this island up. You are building this up. You're adding trees, you're adding cows or sheep. It doesn't matter. It can be anything. And the women, they're in their boats. They're in the boats by themselves. They are essentially just walking around. No, not walking around. They're rowing around in their boats, and they come across your island. They have a bunch of different islands that they can go to, but they're looking at your island because you've got everything you want on your island, and you know it. And you have the fruits, you have the big house, you have that. I'm not essentially saying you need a big house in your life, but you have shelter, you have security. And the women are looking at you and they're like, wow, he has everything. He has everything. He has what I want to be with. I want to be with that. I want to be with that person. And so what they're going to do, they're going to come over in their boats. They're going to be rowing towards your island. And they're going to be like, hey, can I stay here? Can I see what you got going on? And then when they do that, they just flock to you. Because when one woman sees you with a woman, naturally all the other women are going to follow on. They're like sheep. They follow. Oh, this guy over here got a Ferrari. Wow. I mean, I'm going to go speak to this guy. Oh, hey, that girl over there speaking to that guy. Wow, he's got a Ferrari. I'm going to go follow, see what he's got going on. And they just come, guys. They're like zombies. They go wherever the zombies going. So subscribe to the channel, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you check out my previous video on my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.